Are they traction? Oh, dang it, they're replacements. Traction? Hydraulic. What the heck? What the heck is that? These are just basic Thyssenkrupps. I think they still get the Aurora contacts just with replacements. I like the Thyssenkrupp that does that. I don't have too much to say about these. Only thing I gotta say is that's a funny looking LL. Looks like 2 is locked. Oh no, you can go there. I think. Huh, 2's unlocked, alright. I don't have too much to say about those. What's the address? 1001 Franklin Avenue. Thank you for those stupid Thyssenkrupp elevators.